Now let's enter a few walls. So I go to my wall button and I select 2 points basically. And the moment I do that, you can see on the 3D view that the wall has been created. Let's continue on the other side and create the wall over there as well. Now, as you can see over there, the height of the story is different. The height of the building is not the same as this side. So I just double click it and I change the top level to 5,000 and my wall has been finalized. Now, if I open up the dialog box again, you can see that we have complete control over the top level of the wall, over the bottom level of the wall. So if I specify this to be, say, minus 2,000, then the wall will continue to 2 meters down as well. So I have complete control over that. I have complete control over the thickness of the wall. I can give the height directly or by giving the elevation. I can give it some start and end offsets if I wanted to. And there are some, once again, details for the top of the wall. Once again, all these are features which save time. So if there's something sitting on top of the wall, you can create this kind of a feature at the top by directly entering some numbers instead of going through the normal procedure of using the cut command, etc. And it's very easy to use, as you can see on the screen. Just enter 2 points and your wall is ready. Now, let's say there is an architectural requirement to create a window opening about, say, 1 meter back of this axis over here. So I just go to my windows and doors opening. I select the wall, and then I select this point over here, and I just press enter, and I say dy minus 1,000 because that's the point I want to select. And the moment I do that, my window opening is created exactly at 1 meter from that access point. And then I can just double click on that and I can change the level, the height. For example, right now it's at 8 meters. The top level is at 8 meters. I can change that to maybe 8,500 if I want to. What I can do is I can change the size of this opening, just like we did in the other command. I can make it wider. I can make it I can change the other dimension as well if I want. I can even go over here and create an entire grid of window openings, for example. I can just enter distances just like I enter grid distances over here. And I can make 20 copies of these along the wall if I wanted to. Once again, I can give chamfers as well to the corners. So it's pretty detailed, and you can do a lot with this command as well, just like we could do with the other one. And you can even have a parameter over here. For example, if I were to enter 100 over here, I can even create a partial opening. What that means is, if I turned off the cuts, for example, it can just create a depression in the wall, not a hole right through the wall, but just a depression. So there's a lot to do. There's a lot these commands do. They look like simple commands to create openings in slabs and walls, but they can be used to create openings